5 houses right in here. As you can see, the damage has just taken out everything. You can almost see the Louis Joliet Mall, which is quite a distance away. And over here, like Parks Brothers, this local grocery store, his roof's been totally blown off. I don't know, you can't see it very good from this side, but they're trying to clean it up here. It's just, there's just debris everywhere. I can't believe it myself. But we'll head on down the roadway, see if we can get a better view of the St. Mary's.
Go ahead, man.
Alright, you can see this here. This is all roofing. I believe it's from Parks Brothers. I mean, I don't think you'd want to get hit with that. There's just, as you can see, there's just 2x4s. This is not even the best area for showing this, but it's just, debris is just everywhere. I mean, there's some really bad horror stories involving that, but I'd rather not go in that. But we'll go take a look down. There's a little tape moving, Mike.
Excuse me?
Yeah, that's the back of St. Mary's. You should see that whole area is cleared out there. That's St. Mary's School. They're in the process of tearing it down. It was totally trashed by a tornado. And again, got more construction going on. We'll just continue on our path here.
December 11th, 1984.
Again, we're still by the church. As you can see, the traffic has been backed up by the commotion. Say it's backed up for miles either way on Route 59, but I guess everyone wants to see this.